Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Christmas in Sonic.exe Souls of Dismay. To begin, you'll need to navigate to a particular location within the game world. This special event content is acquired through a unique interaction, granting you exclusive festive items. Follow these steps carefully to ensure you unlock all the holiday cheer available. It's a straightforward process once you know where to look. Your journey to unlock Christmas begins by heading to the Burning Hill map. This area is crucial for finding the hidden element. Once you arrive, take your time to thoroughly examine the environment. You are looking for one particular bush that stands out from the rest, as it holds the key to your festive discovery. Upon finding the correct bush, you will notice a small, distinct thorn. This is the interactive element you need to click. A simple click on this thorn will trigger the game's event, instantly rewarding you with the coveted Christmas badge. This badge signifies your successful discovery of the holiday secret. Beyond just the badge, clicking the thorn also grants you access to exclusive Christmas morphs. These unique transformations allow you to embody festive characters within the game, adding a special holiday touch to your gameplay. Now, you can fully enjoy the seasonal content and showcase your achievement to other players. Have fun with your new festive additions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.